So I have finally picked the first pepper that has grown. This is what it actually looks like in full view. So it's very like burgundy-ish color. And I will actually be making some curry chicken, or we'll just seasoning up some chicken today and making a batch of curry chicken out of it. So I'm going to be cutting up my seasonings, and I want the hot pepper to actually spice the food some more to help give it some flavor. So I have like some of the leg parts of the wing and some breast. So I'm going to be cutting up my seasons. So the seasons are cut and ready. So this is actually the hot pepper, and these are some of the jalapeno style pepper. I have some red ones and some green ones, and then some garlic and onion. And I am using some apple cider vinegar to actually wash the chicken, and I will be using this all season to season the chicken meat. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit after this and actually just come back and cook my curry. Oh yeah, I have some Jamaican curry powder underneath as well, so I'm add that after. As a Jamaican, I just have to really season the meat to make sure it have flavor. Because if you don't have no flavor, where that I go? No, in my belly. So yeah. So basically, when Jamaicans are seasoning meat, they always put onion, garlic, all of them things. Even sometimes some ginger and some scallion, but we don't really have no scallion right now. And even thyme too, but we don't really have no thyme either. So we just use what we have and season up the meat and make it sit down and soak in the seasoning until we come back and curry it. And can also smell the pepper. The pepper actually like really strong, because when I cut it up and I throw it in them, because they're smelly. So pepper kick, what that they call habanero, extra hot. Oh yeah, I have to make sure I wash my hand too each time, especially when I cut. You know, want a hot pepper you get in your eye or anything, so wash it. Yeah, I have just peeled a carrot, a sweet potato, Irish potato, and never really peel this but slice it. Yeah, to put with the curry. Now I feel like I change the brown stew, but I go still make the curry. And these are supposed to go in the containers for the plants as fertilizers. Yeah, so when I'm finished, I'm gonna be putting them outside. So yeah, I'm gonna make my curry and cook my white rice right now. I have some coconut milk as well for putting with the curry to help give it some more flavor. This is how the pot are going. Look nice, look nice. I'm just throwing the sweet pepper there, and now I'm gonna leave the rice. So I have some garlic in there because I really like it when the white rice is like, it has a garlicky flavor to it. So anytime I cook white rice, I actually put a lot of garlic in it. I'm gonna put some butter in it. Yeah. So I have that little yellowish look as well. So this is it. So this is the finished product, my curry chicken and white rice. The overall dish was not extremely spicy, it was just mild spicy, and it was rather delicious. I enjoyed my meal, and I always cook extra, so if you are ever in my neighborhood when I actually cook something, you are always welcome to join for some food.